My name's Andrew Wreford, work for Wreford Transport in Northampton, family-run haulage business in our 121st year now. So fourth generation I am, and originally we started with my great-granddad. We love the family values in a business and sort of suppliers. We look for people that can be loyal to us, give us a great service. Spheretech, it's a family business, they're going from strength to strength, and we work closely together. So yeah, our core values are very similar. Spheretech installed all our heating, air conditioning. It's something we looked at here. We're not got gas, just electric, and they hit the button straight away, you know, by giving us a unit that does both in our offices, just to keep everything nice and happy throughout the summer and the winter. When they're servicing the units, I find it pretty seamless because they plan everything for us. They'll email me when the services are due, well in advance, and then they always email me the week before they come in. It's seamless, it really is. The guys that come in, that do the repairs on the units, always polite and great service, great service. We have used a different person in an emergency once before, which I didn't find was a very good process. Not as easy as it was with Spheretech, but that was many years ago and I've not looked back since. They have come in on out of hours times and things like that to suit. We've got a very busy transport office that's got 7 members in, so getting in and around them sometimes can be quite difficult, so they have done the odd Saturday work for us. Again, very flexible, so it works well. I'd highly recommend Spheretech to other companies. They're great service, great communication, workmanship from the lads is very good, and their accessibility when they want to come into the office is very flexible, so definitely recommend them. I've had no issues with them whatsoever. I wouldn't dream of changing. Why change something that's not broken?